more, but can I give you a picture?
Yes. It's iPhone. You want to airdrop me or?
Yeah.
On it, it's fine. What do you guys do? Capital? So what do you guys do?
Oh, we're on the restaurant business.
Restaurant business. Oh, lovely. Well, maybe opportunity for this. My girlfriend. Do you mind if I scan that?
Yes.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Mexico? Mexico.
Where are you from?
I'm from. I was born. I grew up in China, but currently I live in Michigan. In Michigan.
Oh, Michigan.
Michigan. Yes. It's pretty cold there. I've been to Mexico a few times. I have a lot of friends.
You have been in Mexico City?
Yes. There's a lot of opportunities. I'm from the robot manufacturer, so we actually make the robot.
Really?
Yes. I'm here to help my partner here that making this coffee robot. That's what I'm actually from AUBO Robotic USA. AUBO USA